Hello, my name is Luis Ángel de León Colón, speaking of the park as natural Tayrona in the city Santa Marta Magdalena. The falling of the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, the highest mountain in the world, currently in 47,000 feet high, of a gigant on forming beautiful bays and coves. Changwe, Guairaca, Cinto, Neguanje, Concha, Guayaquita, Huitey, Sandy Guay, Bit, South Bit Mangrove Square, Butter Ants, Forest and Battle and the Crystal and with the sanded with the bass and common manure attraction demand in Tayrona Natural Park. For two seat contemplants and rest the park offers magnificent and the relaxed panorama and intense blue sea. For two seat more extreme activities, walking, snorkeling, and diving are additional attractions. The park has archipelagic ruins and the ancient city on the Tayrona View. What to what to start what to start cool cotton clothing and battle pants and the long sleeve shirt for protection for insects and bleach that can the skin from city sun. Rains and square for to protect your ankles and water. Yes, racing shoe for the beach areas had cut sunglasses and the light rain jacket for the rain seance. Identing document and valid hair in the car. Cereal snacks in the Caribbean and in the Pacific region. Never it best to best and the that and all plus and tiber that must be applied by a doctor according to the recommendation on the Colombian National Stampion. Special recommendation parhoods and the eight fight in afternoon. Major reservation in advance. The daily capacity of the park um, is the 7,1 tourists. In the recommendation to the vaccine against yellow fever. 3 years o obligatory environment education introduction TAR. Please repeat the sword structure and use water efficient. For you suffer swim on wind place are safe for swim and swim only in permitted areas. Being in the seat allowed unique seat afternoon. Create plans on the four indigenous communities in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta are located in seat in the park access is forbid. Must show the tourist guide is certificate if everyone. The world activities are forbid building fires, throwing cigars, boots, burning tasks, lowering trees, and the captures with animals. Parking with in the parking zone is voted when the park areas are occupied. The entrance on vehicles will be restricted and only the entrance or vision will be allowed. When Windswing boats make sure there are life but of it. Entry on plants but poly, polystyrene object is restricted. Entry on music instrument is restricted. Entry of speed is restricted. The entrance and carriage on one is forbidden. Entry of alcohol Balancing is restricted. Entry on such board is restricted. Please state the graphs you are produced during your time when you incluye players and other vegetable or animal waste. Not pay attention to the measure deteriorate the environment and can go in the farm for the wind and fall. Thank you. Uh, it is the Park Nacional Natural Tayrona in the city Santa Marta, Magdalena. Uh, Invited